All right, well, the audio on this was terrible, so I'll give you a quick synopsis, but we've got the UniDrill in the truck right now, and it's got to come out of the truck, and it's got to go down into the shop. So here's how we're going to do it. So the first thing I like to do is get a pad, a landing pad for the machine, set up so that it will come out of the truck and land at a position that is at the same height as or higher than the lip of the bulkhead. So in this case, 2 pallets worked great. I let it down these ramps with a come along. Friction held it in place, didn't really slide. But once I got it to the pad here, I was able to remove the head, bring the head inside separately. At this point, I am just left with the cast iron base and armature, which is still very heavy. So I turned it around, I backed my truck up to use it as an anchor point, and I let it down the ramps using a come along. The sandbag at the bottom acts as a stop, allows me to get the moving dolly in there, position it, and slide the base onto the dolly, where I was able to then put the head back on and freely move it around the shop. And that is how I get shit in the basement by myself. Gonna be a lot of work to do on this thing. It's obviously missing the base, but if I can't find one, I'm gonna make one, and we'll do a full rebuild on it. Everything looks original, everything looks good, and I'm excited. I'm looking for one of these for a long time, so happy to have it.